Dali na, you. Sakay na, baby. No. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your ride, baby. Dali na. Sit down. Chargeable din na siya.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna on that ship.
Enjoy the ride. Sige, sit down, baby.
Mama.
No. This is our room.
Kailangan ko
Our
matry
room.
to mo
Yeah.
open, mama. Sorry, first.
First time, ma'am?
Dili, eh. Many
Nadiri?
times na.
You sure 3 times? Murag 5 times na. Nadiri. Or 6. Or 7. Or ano.
They're doing yung room, ma'am. Then, sa first floor, same lang gyapon na itong breakfast.
Oo.
Tigbo yung room kay ang front kay slide.
Slide. Oo.
Slide sa pool, but murag dito, tam grong slide. Slide ra ang slide.
Abo.
Kate, check. Lingaw ang pool.
Cool.
That's a bit better. Wait. Once in a room? 235? 235?
Yes.
221, 235, 235.
Dili de dribando.
This one.
This one ba?
Slide is
Tara, 235.
Hindi mo kita ng view. Wow, diri jud view, di mo kita ng view.
Okay na na. Huwag na dira. Like, magtata. Hello. Or magtata sa upstairs.
ang advantage lang ang squid
Okay.
mo maka-reserve kung dali.
Ha?
Sunbed.
Oo, kadiha.
Usually, weekdays, kita na naman.
Oo.
Samot nagtan mag-Sunday.
Oo. Sige. Okay. Welcome. Where's the light, baby?
Light? Tara.
Open the light. Andihan lang, sir. Thank you very much. Welcome.
Same na gyapon.
Oo.
Okay. Nare mo request mo more concern just dahil zero na lang sa kanya.
Oo. Okay, sige. Thank you.
Snacks mo, ma?
Oo, later. Thank you po.
Snacks, please.
Hello.
Please don't kill us. Let's go.
Where's the light?
Ma, let's go. Let's go.
Hmm?
Hello, let's go, boy.
Okay.
I will find. And I will kill you.
Ay siya. Naglakaw na siya.
Swimming na ko, be. Swimming na ko.
Nagani. Ano siya dara?
Ma, okay na ko, please. Swimming na ko, be.
Birds.